Hey, good morning, everyone. This is Gail here. Welcome. So today I'm sharing with you how to fill out your application to become a LifeVantage distributor. So you've seen the webinar, you've seen the product, you've seen this wonderful, fantastic opportunity, and you've decided that you want to enroll as a distributor and to build this business part-time from home so that you can make some extra income from home. It's going to be a huge asset to your life. It's life-changing. So congratulations on making this decision to change your life for you and your family. So let me go ahead, get started, get right down to it, and show you what to do, where to go, and how to complete your application for to become a LifeVantage distributor. Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, here it is, share. Okay, and here we go. So first thing is you want to make sure that we are at the right page. So you make sure you go to Gayon, as shown here in the link here above in the web address, Gayon Brown, my first last name, .lifevantage.com. This is the link, the website, and you're on my distributor site. How do you know? Because it says right here, it tells you right here, your distributor is Gayon Brown, and my picture is there. Once you become a distributor, you'll get the same thing. This is a free, doesn't cost anything to have their website. LifeVantage gives it, all the distributors get their free website, your own name and link for you to build your business. This is where your people will go to become a distributor or for people who just want to be customers and order products. So make sure, so that's the web address, that's the site. So you know that you're at the right place because you'll see the distributor and myself, and you see my picture, you know you're here. First thing you want to do is click on join us. Let's click on join us right here above here in the right upper right hand corner, and this is the page we start. I'm looking forward to working together. Let's start with your contact info, and you say your sponsor. That there, my picture is there. Now there's only two sides to this page here. This is the left side here. This is where you can fill out your information to become your application. You see it says start your application. This is where you're going to be. Again, this video is just to show you how to fill out your application for distributor. On the right here is a customer side. So if you just want to be a customer and just buy the product, that's it. You're not interested in doing the business, you just want to start the product, this is where you'll start. I already have a video, I create a separate video exactly on how to order your products. If you just want to be a customer, that's a separate video. Okay, so this is this section that we're going to focus on, starting your application. Okay, so the United States, it tells you right here, self-explanatory. English, if you're in a different country, you can click on down here. You can see the many countries that LifeVantage is in. You can click the country you're in and start your application. Okay, English, that's my first language. Name, for first name, last name, email address, phone number. You need that. Okay, and I'm getting this information I have here. This is not a real person. I'm just filling in this just to show you. So you click on start your application once that's completed. Okay, start your application. Okay, now here is where you're going to select your enrollment pack. So how are you starting the business? Now this is again, so here you're getting a business in a box. So once you become a distributor, it's basically you decided to to be a part of their franchise. It's like a McDonald's. If you want to have your own McDonald's restaurant, what you do, you sign up to become become part of franchise. That's going to be $500,000 for you to get a McDonald's location site. You have employees. You got to pay. It's a lot of overhead. How much money is it going to cost you monthly to run that restaurant, etc. So it's the same concept without the headache. So that LifeVantage already have their product line. They're publicly traded. They're in the NASDAQ. They have they have their product warehouse. So all you do is you send customers here, people here, they order products and it's shipped to them directly. You don't have to deal with all the headaches of having employees, running a business, paying all the money. That's how much do you think it will cost monthly to run a McDonald's? Thousands of dollars. Here you invest this one time into this company here. So you have the different options here. You have the platinum pack, which is $1,250. You have the gold pack, or you have the silver pack. Okay, those are the 3 ways. And then you have also have an option here for the start kit of $50. You just get these pamphlets and brochures. That's all you get there, but that's included in addition to these different packages here. Basically, the difference in the packages here is how many products you're getting. That's the differences here. So it's a one-time investment. You order, you say you get this business in a box. You select which option you want, and you get all these products that's included, and that's it to start your business. And then every month, of course, you're going to enjoy your products, as well, right? Anyway, so that's it. So you select the package. Now I'm going to select the gold pack, 650. Okay, that's the pack that I'm going to select here. So I've selected 650, and now I need to fill out the information. So let me put this up here. So here it tells you you get in the gold pack, which is $600, and the $50 that's included is the starter kit. That's your marketing tools that you're gonna get. So remember we saw the starter kit. You can start this business with just the starter kit, and that's it. And all you get is the marketing materials. But if you're gonna start with $50, you have to order products to qualify for commission. So it just makes sense to just start with either the $12.50, $6.50, or $3.50, where you get your products. That's done, and you qualify for commissions. Okay. All right. So that's what the $650 total includes. The $600 you're paying for your products, and the $50 kit that's included as well. Okay. All right. So now we fill out over here. So here we go. Female. The birthday, you put your birth date in, and again, none of this information here is real. This is just person name, address that I made up. I put the address in. I put a California address. I'm from California, and then your primary. That's my address. Primary address, is it the same? Yes. Billing address, yes. You check those. It's going to ask you shipping. How do you want your products shipped to you? Standard, express, expedited. You're going to select that. I've selected standard. This is an individual because it's just you. You're starting your own home business, so you're going to select individual. It's not a business that's investing in this. Is you're an individual investing in this. Okay, you have to make sure you click this box here that says read the LifeVantage agreement here. Right here, you can download it right here. Click there to download it. You got to download your W-9 form. You're going to need to fill that out. Okay, and then you're going to click here. When you're done there, I certify that this information is correct. Co-applicant, so if you're a spouse, or you decide maybe you want to do this business with someone else, you put their name, add co-applicant, and you add their information. Password, you're gonna set up a password. The password is for you, because once you become a distributor, as I shown you earlier, you're gonna get your own website, like I do, and you're gonna need a password to log into your site. Okay, so you're gonna create a password there. That's what that is. And then you have all these distributor agreements. You can click on each, click on them, read them, check them when you're done. They say you agree with them. And then your notification preferences. I like to receive LifeVantage marketing events. Emails. Yes, you definitely want to get emails to get LifeVantage every time they send out emails. They're going to keep it up to date. What's going on? Company events. What's going on with the company? You definitely want to have regular communication going on to find out what's going on with the company. And allow enrollers to contact me by email. Yes, that's recommended. So if someone goes to your website, they have the option. They can put their name and information in, and you'll get an email saying this person is trying to contact you. So you definitely want your enrollers to be able to email you. So you need to check that. And over here just gives you the total. You're getting $650. Remember, $600 for the products and $50 for the marketing kit, for just the marketing material. And then with the shipping and state tax, it's $735 total. You click on continue. And we're going to get there in a minute. Just a second. Okay, this is to confirm your enrollment order. So we go down. So over here to the left, it has the personal information that you fill out. You can check, make sure everything is correct. Scroll down, your billing information, same as shipping, your social security, etc. Okay, then here it's going to tell you what your total will be $735, right? With the taxes and shipping and handling. Continue. So we verified your enrollment information. And next thing is, like I said, your enrollment is looking good. Hang on while we process it. They're processing it. And now the last step, guys, is to fill in your payment information. So how would you like to pay? How are you going to pay for your to become a distributor? How are you going to pay for your enrollment kit? So you have your name here. You put your visa. You put your card number, your date, etc. Typically, everyone knows how to do this. We've done this a million times online. And then you click complete enrollment, and that's it. Once you complete your enrollment, I will immediately get an email alert from LifeVantage. This is why you want to check that box earlier to get email alerts, because once a distributor does this or a customer orders something, you will automatically get an email saying, congratulations, you just had a new person that enrolled, or congratulations, you just got a new customer. So once you complete that, I will get that email alert immediately. So I'm going to then contact you, congratulate you for making a step. I will then send you information on where to go connect to my Facebook group. I have a Facebook group that I created for customers and distributors to keep you in the loop, to provide trainings, to keep you guys going, to make sure that when you join this business with me, you're going to get your on-the-job training. You're going to get training from me regularly to make sure that everybody's on the same page, communication, events, what's going on. So I have a Facebook group created just for that. So once you're on board, I'm going to contact you, get you into that group, and we're going to build this business together, and we're going to change lives. So thank you so much. This is Gayon here. You made a great decision. Congratulations. I look forward to seeing you on the next. I will be contacting you shortly. And just so you know, I'm going to go over here really quick and show you guys. This is my website, www.gayonbrown.com/LifeVantage. If you go here and you scroll down all the way at the bottom of this page here, you're going to see my contact information, my email and my phone number. So I will be contacting you. Just want to show you that quickly. That's another way you can get my number, email to contact me. But as I stated earlier, I will get an email notification immediately once you become a customer or distributor. I'm definitely, you will be hearing from me. And you guys, distributors or customers, I'll add you to my Facebook group. We're going to rock and roll. We're going to change lives. So get excited. I'm excited for you. God bless. This is Gayon signing off. And I'll see you soon on the other side. So welcome and congratulations.